Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use an iPhone to check laundry symbols. Let's have a look. First, you need to take a photo of your garment's laundry tag. Using your iPhone, take a photo of your garment's laundry tag while making sure the symbol can be clearly seen in the image. Now open Photoshop on your iPhone. Select the image from your camera roll. Then tap I button from bottom menu. Now beside lookup, tap laundry care. Tapping here will bring up details about the laundry symbols. Your phone needs to be connected to the internet in order to bring up this information. Here you will see the brief explanation of each of the laundry symbols, including how you should machine wash your garment or dry clean. So these are the steps to use an iPhone to check laundry symbols. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.